Hey Mecha fans, welcome back for another preview. This time we will be looking at the Wolf Technology 1:100 scale Gundam Barbatos Lupus Rex model kit. This will include a metal inner frame. As of the moment, the price and release date has not been determined. It is worth noting that this kit is based on the Lab Zero Garage kit, which is a resin kit, which includes additional mold details for the outer armor. It is yet determined to see if the inner frame we'll be using is the actual design for the full mechanics. Definitely, it's worth checking out once the actual update has been released. So far, no official photos has been provided by the manufacturer for the actual inner frame. But one thing is for sure, they will be using the actual outer armor details of the GK model for this Barbatos Lupus Rex. And next on the list, we now have a knockoff metal robot Spirit Destiny. This is named as Angry Shin Asuka. Model kit will include metal plus POM inner frame and also includes the Wing of Light. This will have a body height of around 14 centimeters and length of around 40 centimeters. This will be priced around 138 RMB or $19 US. Expected release date is around the end of January or February this year. Subscribe for more update. Thank you for reaching this far and see you on the next video.